Hi everyone, in this tutorial I want to show you how to remove password from Windows 10. Okay guys, simply if you want to remove the password from your Windows 10, as you can see we have a password. As you can see we have a password and I want to remove this user password. Okay, simply go to your PC icon, desktop icon, this PC, right click and click manage. Okay guys, in the system tools section, go down and locate to local users and groups. Double click, select users and locate to your own user. Okay, my username is user. Right click again, set password, click proceed, and here let the two field blank, empty, don't type anything, then click OK. The password has been set. Okay guys, that's it. Now lock the computer. Okay, now just drag your mouse and the Windows will open without any password. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.